Box of Delights. Unboxing the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an intriguing phrase, box of delights. This phrase paints a vivid picture in English, and understanding it can add charm to your language skills. So, let's dive in and discover the magic behind this expression. Box of delights refers to a container filled with things that bring joy, surprise, or pleasure. It's often used metaphorically to describe any situation, experience, or collection that is wonderfully enjoyable or pleasantly surprising. Imagine opening a box filled with your favorite things. That's the kind of delight this phrase conveys. The phrase, box of delights, may have originated from the title of a popular British novel or from historical references to boxes containing precious items. It evokes a sense of wonder and excitement, akin to opening a gift box without knowing what's inside. This section explores the cultural and historical context of the phrase. In this section, we'll look at practical examples of how to use box of delights in conversation. Whether you're talking about a holiday, a collection of stories, or a personal experience, this phrase can add a touch of enchantment to your speech. English is rich with phrases that convey joy and surprise. Here, we'll explore similar expressions like Pandora's box, which has a different connotation, and treasure trove, which is more closely related in meaning to box of delights. And that's a wrap on our journey with the phrase, box of delights. We hope you found this exploration delightful and enriching. Remember, language is a box of endless delights, and each new phrase you learn opens up another little part of it. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.